Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for membership sites. Whether you're running a subscription based website or managing member access, Infinitepay.io can help you streamline payments and memberships. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Navigate to the memberships or subscription section. This is where you can set up and manage membership plans. Now select on create new membership plan or a similar option to start setting up your membership offerings. Now enter the details for your membership plan including the plan name, description, pricing and billing cycle like monthly or annually. Now define access levels and benefits for each membership tier such as premium content, exclusive features or specific discounts. Set up payment options by linking your membership plans to your Infinitepay.io account. Choose your preferred payment methods and configure recurring billing settings. Now integrate the membership system with your website. This may involve adding membership registration forms, login access and content protection features. Now publish your membership plans and promote them through your website, email campaigns and social media to attract potential members. Now monitor memberships and manage subscribers through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. Now track payments, view member activity and handle subscription issues as needed. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for membership sites. This platform helps you manage memberships and recurring payments efficiently, enhancing your site's functionality. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.